Hello, today we're going to cover how to do a wall cavity check. What is a wall cavity check? Well, it's the same as doing air sampling in an actual room with an aerosel, which is what this is. So, however, you're drilling a hole in the wall, the size of the opening right here, about the same size of a number 2 pencil. So to do a wall cavity check, you'd go up to the base of the wall, preferably right above the baseboard. You'd hit the wall a couple times to agitate the wall cavity. Better yet, drill the hole first. And when you drill a hole, you'd want to use a hand drill preferably versus a battery-operated drill, because you don't want to create a lot of dust inside the wall cavity. And that's what this aerosol has an X on it for, is because this is what we use first before we use the one we're going to test with. This would be to catch the debris from the actual drilling of that wall. So picture you just drilled a hole in the wall, pound it on a few times to agitate the mold spores inside, and then you connect it to a device like you do here. So now this would connect into the wall, and you're going to draw off a 10-second sample. Why 10 seconds? Because you want the drywall debris and any dust that's in there from drilling to be sucked into this aerosol. So this part would be connected to either your battery-operated pump here, or if you have a powered one with a tube, you connect it here, and it's 15 liters a minute for a normal air sample. For 5 minutes, in this case, it's going to be for 30 seconds you want to do the sample. But the first sample is for 10 seconds to catch the debris into this device here so it doesn't get stuck and contaminate the next one you're going to put on. So wall cavity sample is good for 2 feet in each direction beyond where you drill the hole. If you're going to sample a wall cavity, you should do 3 samples on the same wall. The other 2 are baseline control samples. You want them to be at least 4 to 6 feet away from the original one. So when you test this area, you test 2 other controls. If this is an interior wall, the 2 controls need to be interior. If it's an exterior wall, the 2 controls need to be exterior walls. They don't even need to be in the same room, but still exterior walls. And the results you'll find, if there is a concern in the wall, will be quite high. If there's not a concern, then you don't have to worry about cutting the wall open. But it's a less or inexpensive way, or a non-intrusive, non-invasive approach to checking if there's mold in a wall or a ceiling cavity without having to physically open the wall up. See you on the next one. Remember to like my channel or page if you found this to be valuable. Thank you.